Joe Leifer here. I'm here with the Blizzard Bonafide. Now, a ski that was an absolute home run, a very top seller for us, and they came back with the same ski. So exact same ski, they updated the graphic on it. Again, amazing ski. It was in all the magazines, top ski for last year. They're keeping a good thing good. So again, the Blizzard Bonafide is just a ski that it rips. It rails, it does anything you want it to do. Powder, hard snow, and really, truly one of the best one ski quivers that are out there from Blizzard. So go out, give it a try, and I know you'll love it.